Hey everybody, Br.Pickles back here with another video, and today we are going to be playing with a new mod pack called Winston's mod pack, or Bachter's mod pack. So let's see, we've got like improved flight, the Twilight Forest, and Mo swords to play around with, and I'm in creative. No, I'm not. Okay, so this is one of those bigger mods that it's got all like the boss fighting element and all the loot. And what the heck is that? Oh, sticks. Are these roots? It'd make sense if they were roots. Oh, lag. So let's see. What have we got? We've got humongous trees. We've got a Br.Pickles that can't move. Giant trees. That's probably one that we'll make a house out of. Let's see. We got ruins. We got cave. Oh, that's a ravine. There's a spawner right there. Let me just turn off monsters for a little so we can get somewhat set up. Yeah, see, ruins. Giant mushrooms everywhere. Little fountains. Oh, that's a nice river. Then we've got normal Minecraft stuff, flowers, and big mushrooms. Yeah. Let's see. What do we want to do? Canopy tree. They look nice. I know if I actually would play with sound, the cicadas would make a bunch of noise. So that's why I'm not playing with sound. I don't want to go in there. That feels a lot like a trap. So I'm just gonna not go in there. Got chickens still. Another really big tree. Oh, a bunny. Yeah. So supposed to be dungeons around here too, but I'm not seeing any. I guess we don't really want to fight a dungeon right away. I suppose. Let's see. What was I gonna say? So sorry for my absence of videos. I had to get some stuff worked out with yeah, I'd get some stuff worked out, but I really want to found a dungeon. I think that's the Lich King. Ooh, a deer. Hello. Oh, the model on it's really nice. I like the antlers. Cool antlers, dude. Oh, there's deers everywhere. Yeah, deers. Wouldn't be deer. Or would it? 4-leaf clover. Oh. 4-leaf clover? Nope. Probably gonna need shears. Well, doesn't this place just look inviting with all its cracked stone? Can I break it? And some other things I saw, there's like a field protecting it, but maybe it's not. Okay, that's a forest. I don't want to go over there. I want to go over into the more open spaces. Oh, but there's another forest. Get me out of here. And then there's the Naga, and then the Hydra, and then something else. Oh, here's the starting portal. Ow. What else can we talk about? It's Christmas time. I'm wearing my Santa hat over my recording headphone thingbobber. Yeah. I do have some stuff planned that I want to do. I definitely want to do some Pixelmon soon, which a couple of you have been asking about. So I figured I'd do that because it's an awesome mod already. So why not play it? Broforce. I wanted to do a video of that today, but it's kind of one of those games that you play through and takes like, it took me like half an hour to finish the entire game. Yeah, and it doesn't save too well. Like if you're gone for more than a day, then it kind of just wipes out all your data. That's what it did for me. I don't know what it'll do to you guys. Oh, what's that? Oh, shadow. Should probably get punching down some of these trees with sticks and get to work. Maybe I think the cicadas glow up, if I remember correctly. Oh, fireflies, not cicadas. There are definitely cicadas in this mod, though. So, I have to be aware of that. There's so many deer everywhere. And what the heck are those? Are those birds? By Jove, tiny birds, not birds. Tiny birds. Punch. I just kill it. Here, you tiny bird. No. Tiny birds? Confusing. Tiny bird, where did you go? Oh, found the Naga. Naga. We don't want to go too near, because I think if you get near enough, he spawns, and then you're not going to be able to spawn him again. So, we'll probably have to wait on that. Is it always night here? I mean, I have no problem with that, but I'm just... Is it always night here? Can I do anything with the firefly? Nope. What does this turn into? Oh, just spruce. Cool. These rams? Oh, they look like sheep, but they're rams, because they got bighorn sheep. Oh, that's cool. Huh. Uh-oh. Lag. Okay. Whew. So nothing really got done too much. I'll do some off-camera work. And I'm going to end the video here just because I don't want to go through all my memory right now. Because it does take a bit of memory to make these videos. Like, normally I make my, 14, 15, 11-minute videos. So I just don't want to put my computer at jeopardy. Plus, I gotta get to school soon. I can't hit these tiny birds. Okay, guys, I'll see you next time. Make sure you like, subscribe, and... Are you getting snow where you are? Because we haven't been getting any snow lately. Yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Do some off-camera work. Wait a minute. Is that a crow? Is that a crow? Is that a crow? A forest raven. Oh. Close enough. Okay, bye everybody. Wait. Inventory. This is all we got. Wow.